Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open your Flutter project and prepare to replace the default splash quickly. Install the Flutter Native Splash package with FlutterPub. Add Flutter Native Splash. Create a splash image as PNG or SVG and size it around 512 by 512 pixels. Choose a background color and set a precise hex code such as #1E88E5 to keep branding consistent. Add the image path and color into the package configuration in PubSpec. YAML under Flutter Native Splash settings. Save changes and get ready to generate platform assets. Open PubSpec. YAML and add Flutter Native Splash configuration for Android. Set image, assets/splash, PNG and Android, true along with color, #1E88E5. Save the file and run FlutterPub get to ensure dependencies resolve correctly. Execute FlutterPub, run Flutter Native Splash, create to generate Android drawable and styles. Inspect Android/app/src/main/res/drawable/launch background. XML and Android/app/src/main/Android manifest. XML for applied changes. Rebuild the app on an enable iOS support by adding iOS, true in the PubSpec. YAML splash configuration. Keep the same image path and background color so both platforms match visually. Run FlutterPub, run Flutter Native Splash. Create again to generate launch screen. Storyboard and update asset catalogs. Open iOS/runner/assets. Xassets to validate the splash images and check iOS/runner/base. lproj/launch screen. Storyboard for layout. Run Flutter clean to clear caches, and then rebuild with Flutter run release to verify the final splash on a physical iOS device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.